This video is going to introduce you the X431 ECU TCU Programmer PC software downloading, registration and coverage searching. First, enter launch website w.x431.com. Select Service Support and download. Select X431 ECU TCU Programmer PC Tools. And if your device is the X-Prog free PC adapter, please select and download X-Prog free PC adapter PC Tools. You can check the ECU supported lists. Choose the language you want and tap Download. Unzip the file. Install the software. Install the driver. If you don't have the device yet, you can tap Cancel and use the software to search the coverage only. Power the device and connect to the computer. Update the software first. Input activation code and tap Activate. You can check the device information. Do the immobilizer shut off and file checkout and data cloning. Firmware upgrade. Check for updates. Feedback. And of course you can search and find the Bosch number you want quickly. And search the car make or specific ECU.